Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk have launched AutoCAD 2024 version. So quickly we will see how we can download and install AutoCAD 2024 version. So to download AutoCAD 2024, click on the link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. And if you don't, then create one. Click on create account. Fill up your name, email ID and give a strong password, accept the terms and click on create account. Hit done. Now scroll down and click on get started under AutoCAD. Choose your educational role. Select your country. Select institution type. Input the name of your educational institution. Select your date of birth. Input enrollment date, the day you got enrolled in the institution. Input graduation date, click on confirm. Then click here to upload your document. Select your college iCard from your PC and then click on submit and then close. Then click on get product under AutoCAD. Here it is, AutoCAD 2024 version. Then click on install and accept the terms. An exe file gets downloaded. Just click on it. I'll select a path to install the software. Then click on install and wait until AutoCAD 2024 gets installed. Then click on start. Click on sign in with your Autodesk ID. Sign in with your credentials. Now click on go to product. And here it is, AutoCAD 2024 version. Click on new and you can enjoy AutoCAD 2024. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.